When you're taking the carpet out of your RV, how do you get the carpet from beneath the slide out? This area right here used to be all carpet, but there's still this carpet underneath that I need to get rid of. The answer is this guy. It's a lifter, and it kind of acts like a clamp. So you squeeze it, and it lifts right up. So we're going to raise this slide out. What I like to do is I like to have the bottom of the lift underneath the carpet and the teeth above the carpet. So you slide it in between, just like that, and slowly raise your slide out. And now you have plenty of room to get your carpet out. You can even see the outside of the slide out. But here's a little disclaimer. If you look where the carpet is right here, I'm going to try to show you, don't try to yank it out because the carpet is installed underneath this plastic piece right here that helps hold the trimming of the slide out. This black piece. I don't know if you guys can see that. But the carpet is underneath there, so you can't yank the carpet out. Otherwise, you might mess up your trim outside, and you don't want to do that because then that causes a whole bunch of other problems. So all you really need to do instead of going all the way out there is take a box cutter or your multi-tool carefully, or any other tool, and cut just beneath the trim of the slide out right here, so you don't have the carpet sticking out like you do in this area. So this is what it looks like before, and you can see the carpet from underneath the slide out. And since you don't want to cut the carpet or rip it out all the way to the trimming on the slide out, I find that the easiest way is this. Start on the end of the slide out, take your pliers, pull, and then use the razor to cut it as you're pulling at the same time. That way you still have carpet underneath there that protects your slide out and cushions it from the outside trim. If the edge trimming that you choose for your slide out is long enough and big enough to cover the edge, then you don't have to worry about pulling the carpet out. Hit the follow button for more RV remodel tips.